During this video, you'll be learning how to research using Google Docs. First of all, once you open a document and title it, you go into the Tools menu. Under Tools, you'll go to Research, and a small tab will open up. For the purpose of what we are doing our culminating project on, I'm going to use soil sampling as what we'll be researching. So I'm going to type that in. The couple different options that you have within this menu is you can either do a Google search, which is going to show up just like a Google web page. Otherwise, you can go to images, which are going to bring up just images that have to do with soil sampling. Scholarly articles, which are going to be articles from magazines and newspapers. Quotes, which are quotes to do with soil sampling, usually from valid sources. And lastly is the dictionary, which is going to be a web definition of what the words mean. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to use everything, because that's what you would be researching. Within research, there are a couple of better sites than others to use. First of all, if they end in an edu, they're associated with a university or a school. That usually makes it a valid source. .coms, you would have to visit the source and see if it looks like a valid source. Also look and see who is writing it. The last type is a .org. Some .orgs are going to be very good, some are going to be iffy. First of all, Wikipedia is not a good source to use. If I wanted to, right now I could go on and change definitions on Wikipedia. All I need is a username. Other .orgs, which are organizations, could be very good for soil sampling or any other topic. So for the sake of this, I'm going to use the first one. It's a .edu from Colorado State. If I decide that I'd like to look and see more about this site, all I have to do is hover over it and click Preview. It's going to show me what the site looks like, and if that looks interesting to me, I'm going to click on that site. It will open in another tab. Going back to the document, I'm going to close that, and I decided that I really want to use it in my paper, or if I'm taking notes. So I'm going to take a note that says soil sampling, good site to use. If I would like, I hover over it, I can insert a link so that it's very easy to get to. If I'm writing a paper, all I would have to do to insert or cite the source is going to be to hover over it and click Cite. Right now it's a footnote. Right now it is also an MLA format. If I need to write it in APA format or Chicago style format, I can switch it. So for APA format, if I were to cite the source, it would look like that, which is very close to the same thing, adds a couple things. And lastly is Chicago style, and I would cite that as well. And again, it looks different.